Today, we're unveiling an exciting opportunity that allows you to make $13 for every YouTube Shorts you watch. It's as simple as enjoying short and engaging content. And the best part, you get paid for it. No special skills needed, just your device and a desire to make money online. Whether you're a YouTube binge watcher or someone looking for an easy and fun way to boost your income, this method is tailored for you. Imagine turning your leisure time into a cash generator. Stay tuned as we guide you through the straightforward steps to make $13 for every YouTube Shorts you watch. Let's dive into the world of quick, enjoyable, and lucrative online earnings.
We will walk you through the whole process. We will help you enhance your skills. And we will teach you how to earn money online with no limits.
People around the globe, spanning from the icy landscapes of Greenland to the vibrant cultures of Mexico, are tapping into an incredible opportunity to earn money. The potential earnings vary, with viewing a video in Greenland rewarding you with a generous $20, while in Iceland, it's $13. In the United States, you can pocket $12, and in the United Kingdom, it's a solid $10. The scale continues, with Mexico offering a minimum of $4. If your country isn't listed, don't worry. You're still at a respectable $3.50, and that amount can add up significantly depending on your engagement with YouTube Shorts. Now, let me guide you through the process. Your first step is to navigate to YouTube and head to the Short Shelf, the hub of the most viral short videos. What you're aiming for is a video with over 100 million views. Simply type in #shorts in the search bar, and you'll find a plethora of videos, many surpassing the coveted 100 million view mark. These videos are raking in tens of millions, sometimes even hundreds of millions of views. Now, here's the strategic move. Delve into a niche that's not fully explored. After a thorough 10-minute scroll on your behalf, I've identified one such hidden gem: Minecraft videos. Yes, you heard it right. Minecraft, with its massive global popularity, presents an untapped goldmine. I've even located a channel for you, sparing you the effort. This channel boasts an impressive 6 million subscribers, producing engaging Minecraft gameplay videos. The beauty of this strategy lies in the fact that Minecraft is currently one of the most sought-after games worldwide, ensuring a broad and captivated audience for your videos. So seize this opportunity, explore the Minecraft niche, and watch your earnings grow alongside your viewership.
Wait a minute, have you been enjoying this video so far? If your answer is yes, then this is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified on our future uploads. Now let's get back to the video.
Imagine the potential wealth awaiting you as Shorts videos garnering over 100 million views unfold. Now, what if you could rake in $13 for every 1,000 views on such a video? It's a lucrative prospect, and I'm about to guide you through the process. Firstly, we'll target the most popular video in the Shorts collection. Click on the video and proceed to the Share tab. Grab the URL, the golden key to this entire endeavor. This link is your ticket to turning views into a revenue stream. Head over to a special website called shrinkearn.com. Here, you'll paste your URL, confirm your humanity with the "I'm not a robot" checkbox, and watch as it transforms into a money link. This money link, when clicked by viewers, and considering the popularity of the original video, that's a substantial audience, will generate earnings for you, up to $20 per 1,000 visits. After logging in, you'll find a user-friendly interface. Navigate to the new shortened link section, paste your original link, hit the shorten button, and voila, there's your personalized money link. Now comes the strategic part. You'll want to share this link on platforms where Minecraft enthusiasts thrive. It's crucial not to spam it to an irrelevant audience. I'll guide you to specific websites where people genuinely love Minecraft, ensuring a receptive audience eager to watch the videos. By strategically placing your money link, you'll maximize your potential earnings and create a sustainable income stream from the massive viewership that Minecraft videos attract. Let's delve into the specifics of where to share this link for optimal results. Now, let's delve into the strategic deployment of your money link in 2 specific places, each holding significant potential for expanding your audience and boosting your earnings. The first noteworthy platform is Planet Minecraft, a colossal Minecraft forum where players convene to share, discuss, and seek opinions on various Minecraft-related topics. With over 600,000 threads buzzing with activity, This is a prime space to introduce your captivating Minecraft video to a receptive audience. Start by logging into specific forums within Planet Minecraft, each boasting views ranging from 200 to 1,000. Craft a simple yet engaging message like, "Hey, stumbled upon this incredible Minecraft video, check it out," along with pasting your money link. With such a vast array of threads, you can multiply your efforts across different forums, ensuring widespread visibility. This approach creates a win-win scenario. Users get to enjoy a trending video, and you earn for each view garnered through your shared link. Now, let's explore the second lucrative avenue, Facebook. Navigate to the social media giant and conduct a search for Minecraft. Focus on public groups with a substantial member count and consistent daily activity, indicating an engaged community. A prime example is a group with over 50,000 members and a commendable 10 posts per day. Upon joining such a group, you gain access to a vast audience interested in Minecraft content. Capitalize on this by posting enticing messages like, "Found a viral Minecraft video, a must-watch," along with your money link. In a dynamic community where members share memes, videos, and engage in discussions, your post has the potential to catch the attention of thousands, driving clicks and subsequently earnings. In essence, by strategically placing your money link in these active and relevant online spaces, you maximize exposure to an audience genuinely interested in Minecraft, amplifying the impact of your video and boosting your overall earnings. It's crucial to keep in mind that your opportunities aren't confined to a single group. Rather, you have the freedom to explore various groups pertaining to your chosen topic, particularly within the realm of Minecraft. Broadening your horizons, you can also delve into alternative platforms where you can effectively share your money link for increased exposure and potential engagement. The versatility of exploring different groups and platforms allows you to tap into diverse audiences and maximize the reach of your money link, ultimately enhancing your chances of success in this venture.
And that's it for today. If you learned and enjoyed watching this video, please give us a big thumbs up.